All right, guys, time for break number 9 of Super Breaks Supercharged. Again, 3 items per box, 1 guaranteed buyback card. Pull some crazy stuff, memorabilia, sealed wax, all kinds of stuff. So each spot in this break gives you 2 first name letters, first letter of the first name. So for break number 9, I've got Brett with 3 spots. Daniel's got 2. Brad, you've got 1. Brent's got 1. Corey's got 2. And then Rick closed us out with the last spot. And we got 1 more coming up behind this that we'll do. So 3 boxes of this tonight. So again, thank you guys for filling up these supercharged breaks, and all of them tonight. Jeff said, nope, ain't happening. All right, so 2 first name letters per spot. If we pull a first name letter that we're not using, it'll get random among everybody. Same with a multi-signed, more than 10 signatures, multi-signed item, or a box of cards that has multiple packs in it. All right, here are your letters. Brad, you've got first name letters O and C. Brent, you've got J and A. Brett with K, T, G, V, W, and N. Corey's got P, D, Y, and H. Daniel's got R, L, B, and M. And then Rick, you've got F and S. Jeff, just as long as you let us know if you hit anything really good. If you pull a cut auto or something, I always want to know that. All right, guys, good luck. Don't forget we got our bonus giveaway's already been unlocked. That'll be at the end of the night tonight. We also have our monthly giveaway coming up at the end of the night tonight as well. All right, looks like we got something very similar to the last time. A couple buyback cards and then some kind of mystery item. All right, good luck, guys. Here we go. Got a couple cards in here. All right, we got a Mac Jones Super Glow green parallel. So first name letter M. Daniel, that's coming to you. No number on that. Looks like Tom Brady without his shirt off. All right, nice one here. We got a Kobe. 2007, 2008 game used. Little piece of relic. Beckett authenticated. Comes with a card. Yeah, definitely the Mets. So first name letter K in that one will be going to Brett. There you go, Brett. Finally got you something. Hey, go to bed, dude.
Did the Braves lose?
I don't know. All right, and then we got a Pieces Trio. Triple relic here, Merriweather Lewis, William Clark, and then Sacagawea. So you got M, W, and S. So W is Brett, M is Daniel, and S is Rick. So that will be a random.
Brett who? I said Brett who?
Brett who? Brett in.
I know. The Brett who?
All right, and then cool one here. We got a Super Glow Sports inaugural edition. So you got 8 packs, including 1 auto per box. So pretty cool here. So that'll be a random as well. So again, 2 randoms in this, just like the last box. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll do the triple relic here first. All right, so got them in order from left to right that they're on the card. So M, W, and S. So let's go ahead and randomize it 5 times. Letter at the top after 5 is going to get it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 going to first name letter M. It actually finished the way that they're listed on the card. So M is going to be Daniel. So Daniel, nice hit there for you. And let's go ahead and randomize for the box of cards. All right, so we'll mix this up 5 times. Name at the top after 5 is going to get Super Glow Sports Inaugural Edition box. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 going to Brad. All right, Brad, so there you go, man.
I know Brad wants.
All right, Daniel's got this card, and then Brad will get that box of cards. Let us know if you hit anything nice in that one. So we got break number 10, our third and final one of the night coming up next.